Welcome back, everyone. I have been dying to make a cocktail with the Ancho Reyes chili liqueur, and I finally have something for you. Today, we are going to be making the Smoke and Mirrors cocktail. To start this cocktail, we're going to use half an ounce of egg white. Oh, half an ounce of simple syrup, not pineapple. That would have been interesting. Oh my goodness. I hate this bottle. Half an ounce of simple syrup. 1 full ounce of fresh squeezed lime juice. Oh, are we going to make it? Oh, just made it. Look at that. It's impressive. All right, we are going to use 1/3 of an ounce. So you're going to want to take this just below the half ounce mark of pineapple. Sorry. I suppose I should probably say
what is it?
What is it? Ooh, fresh squeezed pineapple.
Fresh squeezed pineapple.
And then 1/3 of an ounce of ginger liqueur. So again, right below that half ounce mark. 1/3 of an ounce of Cointreau. 1/3 of an ounce of the Ancho Reyes chili liqueur. And then lastly, 1.5 ounces of Mezcal. Bam. All right, because of the egg white, we need to emulsify it first and get it nice and frothy. So we're going to do a dry shake first, or a mime shake. So no ice with this one. Again, hold the back and the front of your shaker tin unless you would like to wear the cocktail. All right, then we are going to use the small shaker tin. We're going to fill that up with ice. And then we're only going to shake for about another 10 seconds just to chill the cocktail down. Oh, I almost flipped this. I've done that almost twice, I think, now. Oh.
Shaker problems.
Shaker problems. This is going to go in a coupe glass, and we are going to double strain. If I can get my mesh strainer out of there. Ooh, surface tension.
Surface tension.
Holy crap. All right. And then for our garnish, I have a candied ginger skewer. Oh, dear Lord.
Very carefully.
Very carefully.
Hands up.
Hands up. Don't touch. All right.
I'm done, chef.
Oh! Oh, no! I have broken the surface tension.
And there we have.
And there we have a broken surface tension cocktail. Okay.
It's because you shake so strong.
I know. You didn't have this problem.
No, I didn't.
Apparently your arms are just not as powerful as mine. It's okay.
Sports experience.
Anyway. I am going to taste the cocktail. I'm going to give you my honest opinion. 1, I would have 1 cocktail and probably move on to the next. 5, I would drink this all night and hate myself in the morning. So let's see where we land, outside of the fact that it's still dribbling.
So you gotta take a sip.
I'm trying.
Take a sip while it's sitting up.
I'm gonna.
And there's the thumbnail.
Oh, that's delicious. Not a sweet cocktail by any means. I mean, you taste the pineapple, but it's not sweet. You get the smoky from the mezcal. I for sure taste the Ancho Reyes chili liqueur. I can taste that at the forefront. But yeah, this is a very nice, it's a very well balanced cocktail. It's not super sweet. It's not super sour. It's just right there in the middle. The flavors all go together very nicely. It's got a little bit of a bite on the end of it. And honestly, I'm not sure if it's from the chili or from the ginger, to be honest with you, but very good cocktail. For me, I'd probably have to give this one, I'm going to have to go with a 3 out of 5. Solid cocktail. It's not one that I would drink a ton of, though. It's a good cocktail, especially to experience it for the first time. I don't think I would have more than 2 or 3. But yes. So there's my rating. 3 out of 5. Anyway, ingredients are going to be listed down below. That way you can make it right at home as well. And if you enjoy the cocktail, even if you don't enjoy the cocktail, you should like, comment, and subscribe and see if there's something else that I make that you think is good. And I will see you guys at the next pour. Cheers.